Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. FTSE 250 hit after fresh social restrictions analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID C1979099 2029 16:02 am. European markets are attempting to rebound after recent US-led losses, but domestically focused stocks are under pressure off the back of fresh restrictions on gatherings. Meanwhile, AstraZeneca has been dealt a blow as vaccine trials are put on hold. European markets on the rise despite second wave fears. FTSE 250 underperforms, with airlines, pubs, and cinemas hit as government restricts gatherings. Vaccine hopes dented as AstraZeneca trials are halted. European markets are once again attempting to gain a more positive footing, with the absence of US influence allowing for a more positive market mindset once again. Brexit fears continue to dominate for UK traders, with the underperformance in the domestically focused FTSE 250 coming in response to no-deal Brexit, and second-wave fears. The government's decision to limit the number of people allowed to gather from 30 to 6, the fear is that this is just the top of the iceberg as the government begins to ramp up tightening measures first in a list of potential actions that could ultimately hit businesses. The fact that the likes of JD Wetherspoon, EasyJet, and Cineworld are leading the FTSE 350 declines does highlight the fact that further growth in UK COVID cases will likely lead to restrictions on travel and social interactions. From an airline perspective, the fear is that it will soon be a case of other nations imposing quarantines on the UK as the shoe is placed on the other foot. Hopes of a swift vaccine have been dealt a blow after AstraZeneca stopped trials globally in response to a negative reaction in a UK-based recipient. From a market perspective, this does damage the timeline associated with one of the most hopeful products pushing towards the finish line. While the patient is expected to recover, there are significant questions over whether this means the vaccine could have significant unexpected side effects which would reduce the likely adoption rate down the line. With Trump having told states to prepare for a vaccine by November 1, it is unclear whether the product in question was going to be produced by AstraZeneca. Ahead of the open, we expect the Dow Jones to open 108 points higher, at 27,609. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.